not doing it now? Huh? Why not doing it, Play-Doh? Go ahead. Go ahead. There's too much hay in there. There's too much. That's what you need to do, boy. Eat it. Oh, a little stinky. You being a stink? Huh? You little pistol. You little pistol. What you did? What did you did? Don't do this. Oh. Hey. You're the only one that keeps your house like a pig house. A pig house! He liked it, Piggy. He wants to be a teenager. He like a pig. I like it piggy in here. I don't like it neat. Look at this. What a nut hole. There's Kalili. Kalia, what's your neighbor doing? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You little chicken butt. You're gonna eat through it? Stop it. It's a little devil. Gosh. You're nuts. You're crazy, Mood. You. What is the problem? What's the problem, Play-Doh? Huh? What is the problem? My goodness sake. Play-Doh. What's the problem? Why are you so pissed? Why are you mad, honey? Why are you mad, Play-Doh? Huh? Did that freak you out? Yeah, you're gonna tip it over. And then what? Then what? You little nut hole? Come here. Play-Doh. Come here, a weirdo. It's just not right. The hay is not what I wanted. And this is stinky, and that's stinky. He's a boss. Are you a boss? Are you a boss? You little boss? Are you a boss? Play-Doh? Who's that? The doggies? They're gonna come eat you. Because you think you're a boss. They're gonna eat you. Play-Doh. Play-Doh.